When you go to the doctor, you really just want to be taken care of. And you want someone that can listen to you wholly and really understand you. And we make an effort on our side to really provide true integrative care. We here at Rebel Med have created a unique team environment where oftentimes you're not just working with one of us, you're working with multiple providers here. We have patients that can oftentimes engage with us from primary care, learn that we also do, spinal manipulation care or acupuncture. And, if they have an ache or a pain and they want to get tuned up in that way, that's a great opportunity for them to explore that. Maybe they just want to have a nice calming acupuncture experience where they can breathe and let go, as well as, start to affect their energy in a different way. And when maybe we just need that little tune-up of energy, we also offer, IVs and nutritional vitamin injections. And the opportunity there allows patients to, feel at home in their medical care, rather than being sent all over town with different providers not being able to talk to each other.
The really unique thing about Rebel Med Northwest is that when you come in to get a treatment here, you can have a lot of services and options at your disposal. And you have a lot of providers that are really passionate about your care and passionate about working with each other. At our clinic, we talk to each other all the time. And we're talking about patient cases, and we're total nerds for what's going on. And that type of atmosphere really helps each practitioner to help the patients on their path.
The current shape of our insurance-based medical system is faltering. Many people are either shamed by their doctor or not listened to. They're in a state where they're already in a state of fear and maybe a little bit of panic about what their diagnosis is bringing to them, or the opportunities that were presented to them they don't really quite resonate with.
A lot of times people have been through the medical system. It has an effect on them. They come to our clinic and oftentimes they've been diagnosed, or they've been waiting for months to be diagnosed, or they've been diagnosed and they can't get in anywhere. So when they come into our clinic and they find that they can get in sooner than later, and that we have answers for what they're looking for, that we're here to teach them and educate them and be advocates for them, they feel relief. They feel like they've found a place where they can be heard, where healing can start to happen.
The small businesses in this area really try to take care of each other. And immediately when we started our practices here, we found that sense of community right away. Our kids go to school here, we get to walk to work every day, and we get to run into some of the familiar faces with some of the business owners around the area. What's important about that is it creates a sense of community. Our clinic itself is located right across the street from the Olympic Athletic Club. That unique opportunity gives patients this kind of sense of being in a small town, well, despite being in such a large city like Seattle, and how busy it is and how much that affects our nervous system. But when we can find that opportunity for our patients to kind of really relax their nervous system, get to know their community, it helps engage us in a way that I think it goes above and beyond other types of situations where you feel lost or you don't have a sense of community. And we really like to try to bridge that back also to our patients so they feel like they have a sense of belonging. One of the challenges that we often are faced with is, with all of the information coming at us, how do I eat well? How do I take care of my physical body? And how do I take care of my mental health? Through our care that we provide an intersection between all of those aspects of care, something that I think is missing as a part of our current healthcare system. When we work with patients, we really try to do it in a non-rushed, calm manner, where you can be calm, present, informed. And that's literally the first thing that we focus on when patients walk in the door. And immediately patients start feeling better because they're able to do their medical care in a calm and relaxed environment. If you're ready to begin working with us here at Rebel Med, please schedule a 15-minute call by either giving us a call or reaching out on our website. We'll match you with a provider that's going to be the best fit for you. And in that 15 minutes, we'll go through how your insurance works, what is covered and what's not covered, provide really transparent pricing about all the services we offer here at Rebel Med. We're going to take an initial evaluation of what your health goals are, steer you in the right direction based off of our multiple different services we offer, and really find a path for healing that you want to take forward in the next steps.